Hey guys, it's William, and in this video I'm going to show you don't be tricked, because I find maybe it's a bug, but definitely it's a thing, it's an issue that if you export your animation using Adobe's Animate, and you may, if you don't take care, you might lose one frame. Okay, let me show you how. Okay, so right now I already got this animation ready, and I want to export that. So basically it's let me just get off this onion skin, and basically it's just a guy swinging sword. Okay, and it just got a 10 frame, and remember the last frame is the guy swing sword. The hands go to the behind. But if I just do the file and export video and media, okay, and I just export that swing sword. If I just do that, it will be something like this. Okay, it will be a guy that swing the sword, and it will just stop here. So this will be the last frame. So I feel a little bit weird when I published that to the social media, and then I realized that the export is not 100% export everything. So if you look at here, this is the second last frame. So this is the frame here. So it just missed the last frame. So that's the reason it's get weird. So how to solve it? Pretty simple. You just remember to go to here and add an empty frame, and then you can just export. Okay, just export, and just to use all the default settings. Okay, you just click export, and then things I already export that. So let me show you the results. So it'll be something like this. So if you look at here, everything is good. Okay, so the quick walk around is just to add one empty frame at the end. Okay, and here comes to the tricky part. What if you want a loop animation? So you have to loop that 2 or 3 times. So the a walk around that I thought is that you need to duplicate all this frame multiple times, manually, and at the end, only at the end of the frame, you add an empty frame and then export that, so you can get maybe loop 2 or 3 times of animation. Okay. And that's the workaround for you. And yeah, so if you think my video is helpful, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks, bye.